Hey, are you preparing for a job interview and you're not sure how you should introduce yourself? In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that I'm using to prepare for my technical interviews so that I can perform better and be more confident on camera. Hey, I'm Paul Solt from Super Easy Apps, and let's dive into today's topic. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plan your talking points, and this is going to come down to being ready to talk about yourself. And so by doing that, what I recommend doing is make a bullet list of 5 to 7 topics that you want to talk about and just sort of have a basic understanding of what you want to say for those different things. This might be based on your resume. This might be based on just some ideas that you jot down. From there, what I do is I use an app called Temi, and I just record myself speaking. So this is Temi. It allows you to just quickly capture different things and talk through those different points. And so for this, you're going to want to record maybe 3 to 5 takes until you have kind of a rough draft of what you want to do. So I just do a new recording for each one. So you can see I have a number of new recordings. And then it's really only the last one that you care about. You're trying to get to the essence of what you want to say about yourself. And you're going to unlock that transcript for the final take. That'll give you the most concise speaking points, and it's going to be the most coherent. After that, you're going to want to download the transcript. And so you can just log on to their website, or they'll send you an email, and you can download the TXT without any filler or words. And I find that super helpful. I just go for the TXT instead of the docx, but you can choose whatever editor that you want. I copy that into notes to edit, and then I convert that into bullet points. So you can do the same thing. And now it's time to edit the transcript. Now, for your target speaking time, you're looking for something like 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going to want to cut anything that's unnecessary. So if it feels like when you're talking through it that it's too long or you're going into too much depth, cut that out or reduce that sentence so that it's a little bit more clear and it's a little bit more punchy. And then you're going to want to focus mostly on your last job. But if you have some prior years of experience, you want to sort of add some talking points so that you can sort of show your experience level. After that, you might want to try this if you have access to ChatGPT or another AI. You could try and see, okay, well, if I take that, can ChatGPT make this flow a little bit nicer? And you can sort of see what they do. I don't always like the writing style, so you're going to have to sort of cut and paste or take out certain things and then tweak it a little bit based on that. So I tried this with my last one, and then I edited the result from ChatGPT. After this, you're going to want to practice speaking out loud. It's really important at this stage to speak out loud. You don't necessarily have to record this just yet. You're just trying to get comfortable talking about these different talking points. And then from there, you're going to want to record in something like QuickTime or using your iPhone. And then just watch your energy level. See if like you're kind of like dragging or just sort of droning on. The initial attempts, I don't even look at. Like I don't even review them. I just sort of know I've done it. But you're going to want to watch your energy levels later on. And so practice speaking and modulating your voice so that you're not just a monotone little robot. One of the things I'm experimenting with is a teleprompter. So this is a teleprompter app that I just tried out for this. And you can just put up your stuff, configure the speaking speed and the font size. You want it kind of tiny so that it's not going to make your eyes look like you're looking side to side to side. And then just practice that 5 to 10 times. I did it, I think, 6 times on my computer until I got something that I thought was pretty good. And then you're going to want to review how you look. So let's take a look at my initial script from Temi. This is what I spoke out loud. And then we'll look at sort of my initial edit. Then the draft that ChatGPT sort of helped me massage a little bit. And then this is my final sort of introduction. And this is subject to change, but this is what I'm going to use to help me prepare and then always stay on target with my interviews. In technical interviews, you only have a little bit of time to talk about yourself, and it's really important to be concise. In my initial interviews, I went off on tangents for maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and you really want to cut this down to 2 to 3 minutes because you need all of that extra time to answer the questions that they want to ask you and to give yourself the best chance of solving the code challenges. So I hope this was helpful. At this point, you're ready to interview and you'll be in a much more confident state about talking about yourself so that you can get to the next stage in the interview. Sometimes you might only be talking to a recruiter and your whole goal is to get the next meeting. And the next meeting is either talking to the hiring manager or it's scheduling a technical interview to do a code challenge or some kind of take-home assignment. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll be sharing more content around app development, as well as sort of approaching technical interviews and sort of my experiences and the things that I've learned that are working in this job market with a ton of job layoffs, and then what's not working. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.